Time check! Sawadee ka Tokon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning, everyone!
Thank you.
Good morning, Philippines! Rise and shine! Makeup time! And I'm done with my makeup. Good morning, Teacher Maria. Good morning, Mingalaba. Morning. Bon appetit! Cheers! Bon appetit! Cheers! Iba ka talaga eh. Ikaw talaga ang best friend ko dahil. Hindi ko nakita. Eh, sorry. Nung pagtayo ko, wala sabi ko, ay baka wala na. Hindi ko nakita. Eh, ano lang yan, kumain ako eh. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. That's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class.
Again! 揚げないしんの
Naruto. Bon appetit! Cheers!
I thought I wouldn't. I thought.
Nickname?
Pattern.
อุ้ย ตัวละครอนิเมะนี่จะไปแล้ว
15
50, 50.
Yay!
Thank you, Chef. See you next week.
See you next week. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Today, I am going to discuss about figures of speech. What is figure of speech? Also gotta read. Ready? Give me your score. Not a kit. 8. Foam. Absent. Pang. 7. In. 6. Ploy. 7. Baimon. 6. Ploy. Excellent. Clap your hands to Ploy. Nam. 5. Fang. 5. Oi. 9. Fei. 3. On. 8. Peer. 2. JJ. 5. Cake. 8. Force. 8. Organ. 10. Excellent. Clap your hands to organ. Dream. That's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about tongue twister. What is tongue twister? All together read. Phrase. Intended. Difficult. What you are going to do today, you are going to remember and memorize a tongue twister below. Just choose and select one only. You are going to do that in front of the class today. 50 points. Hasip ka na. Juanina. Okay, start.
Betty bought butter, but of butter was better. Butter.
Nickname.
Boy.
Start.
Peter. Walter.
Nickname.
Mark.
Start. Nickname.
Oh, thank you.
Nickname.
Oh, congratulations.
Citizen.
T.
Okay, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Okay. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Requires. Ready? Give me your score. Nơi, kano corn. 8. Tang-o. 5. Nơi, chuntamat. 7. Yim. 5. Nurse. 8. I. 7. Ganya. 5. Omsin. 5. Namu. 5. Ploy. 5. Bambam. 5. Japan. 4. Oy. Piaporn. 5. Carrot. 5. Mean. 8. Mind. 6. Nơi sukanya. 5. Meal. 9. Om. 8. Plank. Absent. Kim. 8. Kai. 6. Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Goodbye, Teacher Namtan. Kabandidi na ka. Okay, stand. Goodbye, Teacher Namtan. Goodbye, Teacher Sayonara. Matastane. Okay, matastane. See you next year. Goodbye, Teacher Maria. Matastane. To answer me, answer. Answer. Answer me. Mayro, pasatay ni Teacher. Kain pasatay, pud pasatay. Mayro.
Bira.